Hello everybody. Well, now I was in school today, been in school all day and it's been really busy and got lots done, but as I was coming out I grabbed a book because I thought, oh, that looks like a good one, and it's called Going to the Volcano. And then when I got home and picked it up I realised it's by Andy Stanton. Now Andy Stanton is one of my favourites because he wrote the stories called Mr. Gum, and if you love a silly story, Mr. Gum is so funny, had me laughing out loud. So if you're a really good reader, you're a little bit older, you could read it, or if you can get your mum or dad to read it to you, they're so funny. Anyway, this book's called Going to the Volcano by Andy Stanton, and the illustrations are by Miguel Ordonez. So let's have a little look. I don't know this story very well, I've just had a quick flick through. Going off with Jano to look at a volcano. Going off with Jano to look at a volcano. Walking down the lane-o to look at the volcano. Walking down the lane-o to look at the volcano. There's a few people joining them on their journey. Riding the Great Dano to look at the volcano. Riding the Great Dano to look at the volcano. Can you see the pattern in this story? You could join in. Sitting on the traino to look at the volcano. Sitting on the traino to look at the volcano. A lot of people joining that journey. Jumping on the Play-Doh to look at the volcano. Jumping on the Play-Doh to look at the volcano. A dinosaur on a plane to see a volcano. Very safe. Flying off to Spain-O to look at the volcano. Flying off to Spain-O to look at the volcano. Which is really silly because there are no volcanoes in Spain. Splashing through the rain-o to look at the volcano. Splashing through the rain-o to look at the volcano. Can you see the signs on each page showing you which way the volcano is? Going up the crane-o to look at the volcano. Climbing down the the chain-o to look at the volcano. Oh, what's hanging upside down? They've got to the top of the volcano. Look at that. It looks quite dangerous to me. I don't think I'd want to stand that close to the crater. Boom! I did think it looked dangerous. In a lot of pain-o because of the volcano. In a lot of pain-o because of the volcano. Never do it again-o. Stay off the volcano. Never do it again-o. Stay off the volcano. And can you see what they've done with the word volcano? They've put volcano. And there are all the creatures that went up the volcano. Do you know, it's always been my ambition to go up a volcano, and I've been up a couple of times. I went up Mount Etna a couple of years ago and it was so exciting, but it was much safer than that. And you didn't go right up to the top. And there was lots of safety measures in place. So if you do go up a volcano, which is very exciting, don't worry, they look after you and there's lots of safety measures. So anyway, it is bedtime. So sleep well, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a lovely sleep and nice dreams. Good night.